If you're a photographer looking to find the perfect MacBook for photo editing in 2025, you've come to the right place. We're diving into the top options for stunning performance, color accuracy, and smooth editing. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. MacBook Pro M4 2024. This is the top choice for photo editing, combining power, portability, and professional-grade capabilities. Powered by the M4 chip and equipped with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, it handles demanding apps like Photoshop and Lightroom with ease. The SD card slot simplifies photo transfer directly from cameras, while its 18.5-hour battery life makes it perfect for editing on the go. At just 3.4 pounds, it's a lightweight option for photographers needing both power and mobility. The nano-texture display coating reduces glare, ensuring accurate colors with a Delta E score of 0.19. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display offers stunning 1,600 nits peak brightness and P3 wide color gamut, delivering exceptional color reproduction, perfect for precise photo editing in any lighting. Number 2. MacBook Pro 14 M3 2023. This is an excellent choice for photo editors, featuring the Liquid Retina XDR display for superior color accuracy and contrast. The SD card slot return makes transferring images a breeze, eliminating the need for adapters. Powered by the M3 chip, it excels in apps like Lightroom and Photoshop, delivering faster export times and smoother performance, especially for larger files. For those upgrading from Intel-based MacBooks, the performance improvement is noticeable. While the 8GB RAM base might be restrictive for heavy multitasking, opting for the 16GB upgrade is ideal for professionals. The 14.2-inch display offers high brightness and contrast, ideal for precise editing. Its portability, build quality, and enhanced speaker system make it a top pick for photographers who need editing power on the go. Number 3. MacBook Air 15.3-inch M3 2024. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight MacBook, the MacBook Air 15 is a top choice. Ideal for photographers, videographers, and creatives, it offers a larger screen and a powerful processor capable of handling editing software smoothly, all within a super light design. The Retina display delivers vibrant color, perfect for light editing tasks. The base model's 16GB RAM is sufficient for most, but check for updates, as earlier versions only had 8GB. While the 256GB storage may feel limited, you can upgrade it or rely on external storage. One drawback is the lack of connection ports, with only 2 USB-C ports available, so adapters will be necessary for SD cards or external monitors. Number 4. MacBook Air 13-inch M3 2024. If portability is your top priority, this MacBook is the one for you. It's compact, light, and ultra-thin, making it incredibly easy to carry around. Despite its small size, the base M3 chip offers impressive performance, featuring an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, with an option to upgrade to a 10-core GPU. The fanless design keeps things cool even during editing tasks. For light tasks like browsing and streaming, the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD are sufficient, but photographers should consider upgrading to 16GB of RAM and at least 512GB of storage. It has just 2 USB-C ports and lacks an SD card slot or HDMI, but the wireless connectivity is top-notch. Number 5. MacBook Air M2 2022. It might not be in Apple's official lineup anymore, but it's still available from retailers and offers excellent value for those on a budget. Perfect for lighter tasks, it features the M2 chip, which handles everyday use and image editing with ease, making it a fantastic choice for casual photo editors. The laptop's display is still impressive, with vibrant colors and strong contrast. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the trackpad is generously sized. Connectivity is limited with only 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack, though the MagSafe charger is a nice touch. For light workloads, the 8GB RAM is adequate, but opting for 16GB will future-proof your purchase. So, which MacBook stands out for photo editing? The MacBook Pro 14 M3 2023 is the winner, offering powerful performance, incredible color accuracy, and that ideal balance of portability and screen real estate for professionals. It's your best pick for flawless editing.